So, you own a standard Honda Grom and you think it's time to squeeze some more Shetland ponies out of that little 125cc air-cooled engine? I'm going to take you on a very short journey to creating a wider usable power curve, higher peak power, and more torque right where you need it without breaking the budget. Let's turn it up. Whoa, settle down. Time for a baseline dyno run. .78 horsepower at 6,500 RPM. The engine is a little bit heat soaked, but this is your typical stock power curve for a Grom. Peak power is 6,500 RPM, and revving at any higher feels unproductive. Time to do something about it. Utilising the wonders of the internet, I downloaded this 3D model from a website called Thingiverse. I'm going to print the trumpet in a material called PETG. It's similar to the plastic carbonated beverages it's sold in. You'll probably want to give the 3D printed part a clean up with some sandpaper to remove any imperfections. This is the step which I missed while making this video. To install, I'm removing the airbox cover and removing the air filter. Then I'll be using one of these to cut the post holding the doobie wacky so we can remove the original snorkel. Secure the trumpet with a zip tie or hose clamp. Reinstall your air filter and airbox cover.
Look at that, Gary, like it was made to fit there.
And now it's time to test it. It's not my imagination. That sounded a lot happier, didn't it? These two dynographs compare the best standard run versus the modified. The peak numbers aren't enormous, but what really counts is power keeps on increasing right up to 7,300 RPM before beginning to fall over. At 7,300, that's a 0.9 horsepower increase and torque is up 0.65 foot-pounds at the same RPM. That's a gain of 10% right where you want it. Now I'm sure you're wondering, what did it cost? The answer is around 80 cents. As far as bang for buck performance modifications go, even going and doing a really big poo before a ride can't even beat this. If you'd like to try this modification, check the video description for a link to the 3D model and print yourself one. If you can't print it, find a buddy who can. If you've made it this far, thank you for watching the video. Have fun and have a great day.